All right, coming to you from a nondescript hotel room in Alabama, USA. Today's Cloud Everyday series is about MinIO, the pervasive object storage solution on the market. And I say the most pervasive. It is everywhere. Yesterday we did HashiCorp. And if you go to HashiCorp's Terraform project, the storage platform that they recommend or that they have directions for the cookbook for installing Terraform is MinIO. It is the S3 compliant object storage that developers by default leverage. MinIO, the company, makes money from licensing. There is no MinIO cloud solution, but you will find MinIO's product in many cloud solutions. If you're a small cloud provider, chances are you're using MinIO to provide cloud storage. Which brings us to the topic of licensing. It is AGPL 3.0, which MinIO intends to be pretty aggressive with the copy left. They have some dispute with Wik.io, Nutanix, and other vendors using the technology to quickly deploy object storage. Which brings us to the intended relationship MinIO wants with enterprise customers. They want you to license the software for production use cases. I think there's some questions in open source whether or not that's necessary or not, but MinIO absolutely the kind of the de facto standard in object storage.